To set Google text-to-speech intonation as expressive in Samsung Galaxy S20, open Settings, swipe upward on home screen to access the app screen, and then tap Settings. You can also open Settings screen from Notification panel, swipe the Notification panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down Settings screen, find Accessibility, and then tap Accessibility. Select Screen Reader, and then tap Settings, tap Text to Speak. You may set preferred engine as Google Text to Speak engine. First tap preferred engine, and then tap Google Text to Speak. If your preferred engine in Samsung Text to Speak, change in Google Text to Speak, and then tap back button to save. Tap Settings icon, and then select intonation, select expressive. Okay, let's try.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
You can different.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Other intonation.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.